Hello children, I am going to continue chapter 4 polynomials. Fifth main, third question. Third question you observe now. So they give x cube plus 13x square plus 32x plus 20. Here no number means it is understood 1 is there. Here 20. You multiply 1 into 20, then this is equal to 20. Which are the factors of this 20 then? So you write the factors of 20. Which are the 20 factors? Plus or minus 1. In 2 table also it goes plus or minus 2. In 4 table also it goes plus or minus 4. Plus or minus 5. 5 table also. 10 table also. Plus or minus 10. And the plus or minus 20 also. These are the factors of 20. So now first we will check for plus 1 or minus 1. I have to check. See, all in this polynomial all have plus sign. So if I substitute plus, then I am not going to get a 0 as answer. So better I substitute minus 1. P of minus 1 is equal to minus 1 whole cube plus 13 into minus 1 whole square plus 32 into minus 1 plus 20. These are the factors. Okay children, now you simplify now this. Minus 1 whole cube is minus 1 plus 13. Minus 1 whole square minus 1 if you multiply double time minus 1 into minus 1. Minus into minus plus 1 ones are 1 only. Plus 1 becomes. Minus into plus minus 32 ones are 32 plus 20. Now you simplify now. Minus 1. 13 ones are 13. Minus 32 plus 20. So if you will observe now here. So then minus 1 minus 32 is minus 33. Plus 13 plus 20 is plus 33. So you get 0 as answer. If you get cancel and you get. Then minus 1. Minus 1 is a factor of this polynomial there. Therefore, minus 1 is a factor of 20. Factor of 20 will come to know. If therefore, for what value of x now? X is equal to minus 1. Therefore, if I take it this side, x plus 1 is a factor. We have come to know factor of this polynomial. Factor of this polynomial. After knowing this one, how I can find out that we have come to know one of the polynomial. So then by this I have to divide this given polynomial there. So x plus 1. So x cube plus 13x square plus 32x plus 20. You divide this. If you divide now, you are going to get the quotient now. So now instead of doing side step now, x cube we divide by 1x it will cancel. X square you get it as quotient. Multiply with this plus into plus plus. X into x square is x cube plus into plus plus 1 into x square 1x square. Change the sign. 13 minus 1 is 12x square plus 32x. So now first term of this you have to divide this by this now. So first term of this 12x square, first term of this is x. By x if I divide 1x it will get cancelled, the remaining it will be as it is. So plus 12x is a quotient. So multiply then plus x into plus 12x. 12 ones are 12, x into x square plus into plus plus 12x ones are 12x. Change the sign. Then 32 minus 12 is 20x plus 20. So now you divide this by first term now. X will get cancelled plus 20 quotient. Multiply, you will get in this manner. 20 into 1, 20 ones are 20 into x is 20x plus 1 into 20, 20 ones are 21. Change the sign. You will get remainder 0. So therefore, how I can write it now according to division algorithm? I can write it in this manner. That is, P of x is equal to G of x or Q of x, G of x into Q of x plus R of x. Then P of x already we know now, that is P of x is cubic polynomial, x cube plus 13x square plus 32x plus 20. G of x, this is x plus 1 is g of x. First I am writing g of x here, this is one of the factor now. Then q of x is, that is x square plus 12x plus 20. R of x we know now it is 0. Now anyway we know now one of the factor x plus 1 for this polynomial, that you split it in that manner, splitting method, factorization method. For quadratic polynomial it is splitting method. So you can split the middle term in that manner. How you can split the middle term then? 10 2s are 20, 10 plus 2 is 12. I can split this middle term in this manner. X square plus 10x plus 2x plus 20. We got it already one of the factor. The remaining two factors we get it from this. Two terms we do grouping. Take 1x common, x plus 10. Here 2 you take common, x plus 10. So once again in these two terms, x plus 10 is common factor. So you take out as a common. Then x plus 1, x plus 10 I have to common here. Then x plus 2. These three factors are the factors of this cubic polynomial, children. So this is the way, method is same only. Okay children, find out the factors in this manner for cubic polynomial. Once again I am going to explain now. So the given polynomial is cubic polynomial. You observe now 1 into 20 you multiply. What are the factors of 20? Many factors are there for 20 number. Plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, plus or minus 4, plus or minus 5, plus or minus 10 and plus or minus 20. These are the factors of 20. So you check now, out of these factors of 20, which is a factor of this polynomial. See now in this polynomial, all they have plus sign, means if I substitute plus value, it will not get cancelled and it is not going, I am not going to get 0 as an answer. So better I will not substitute that only. I have to find out which is a factor, means I have to substitute for which value I will get 0. So that value only I have to substitute. So first I check for minus 1 then. Minus 1 I substitute in the place of x and I simplify, and after simplification I got p of minus 1 is 0. Therefore minus 1 is a factor of 20 here, and minus 1 is a x value is minus 1 is a factor of this polynomial. And therefore x is equal to minus 1 means minus 1, if I take it this side, it becomes x plus 1. Therefore x plus 1 is a factor of this polynomial. After finding one of the factors, so by this factor I divide the given polynomial in this method, by division method. So I divided by x plus 1 this given polynomial, x cube plus 13x square plus 32x plus 20. So division how to do means, we don't know the table of x plus 1. So the method is in this manner. First term of this dividend you divide by the divisor first term. Then whatever you get, that is a quotient. X cube if I divide by x, I am going to get x square. X square is a quotient. Then afterwards, after multiplication you will get this value and subtract, change the sign and simplify. Once again next term you take it down and once again you divide this binomial by this. So first term of this you divide by first term of this, x it will cancel, plus 12x is the quotient. Multiply with this binomial with this and write the value. Change the sign and subtract and you will get 20x plus another next term you take down and you divide first term of this 20x by first term of this x plus 1, that is by x if I divide you are going to get 20 as quotient. Multiply, it becomes 20x plus 20, change the sign and you will get remainder 0. So according to division algorithm law, so I can write it p of x is equal to g of x into q of x plus r of x. Substitute the values. P of x means the given polynomial. Write it. And g of x means this one, x plus 1. Q of x means quotient. So r of x anyway is 0. You substitute. And one of the factor already we got it, that x plus 1 is a factor of this polynomial. And this we got it in the form of quadratic polynomial. Splitting method, by splitting method you can factorize, and you got it 3 factors for the cubic polynomial. You have to remember, according to the highest power of the polynomial you are going to get the factors. If the polynomial is linear polynomial, you will get 1 factor. If the polynomial is a quadratic polynomial, you are going to get 2 factors. If the polynomial is cubic polynomial, you are going to get 3. In the same manner, if the power it is changing according to the highest power of the polynomial, that many factors the polynomials are going to get children. Copy down this much. Children, I am going to continue. This is the fourth question in this factorization. Fourth question is in this manner: 2y cube plus y square minus 2y minus 1. You know now the method is same. I'll multiply 2 into minus 1. 2 into minus 1 is equal to minus 2. What are the factors of this minus 2 then? Plus r minus 1 plus r minus 2. These are the factors of this expression. These two are the 4 are the factors of this expression. Okay, you can write it here also, no problem. Here, okay, the same factors. Plus r minus 1 plus r minus 2. These are the 4 factors you are going to get for minus 2. Now you observe this polynomial. Here 2 plus and minus. So if I substitute plus 1, may I get 0? What I think? Both I have to check now, because 2 terms they have plus sign and 2 terms they have minus sign. So I am going to check for plus 1 first. So P of 1 in place of y, here variable is y. So maybe any variable they can give up from a to z children. So y variable is there, 2 into 1 cube, 1 square, 2 into 1 minus 1. 2 into 1 cube is 1 only, 1 square is 1, minus 2 minus 1, 2 ones are 2 plus 1 minus 2 minus 1. So here it becomes plus plus, if I add plus 3 minus 3, 0, I got it. So P of 1 is 0 means 1 is a factor of, therefore 1 is a factor of this polynomial. Factor of this polynomial. Therefore x for a value for a y here variable is y, you can write it y variable. Y is equal to 1. Therefore it becomes y minus 1 is a factor of this polynomial. So one of the factor I got it now. So I will divide by, so then if I will divide, so the given polynomial I will divide by y minus 1. So if I divide by y minus 1, 2y cube plus y square minus 2y minus 1. If I divide by y minus 1, 2y cube, if I divide by y, 1y, it will get cancelled. So quotient I am going to get 2y square. So if I multiply 2y cube, minus into plus minus 2y square, then change the sign, plus 2y square, plus 2 plus 1 is plus 3y square minus 2y. So now 1y it will get cancelled, 3y square divided by y, 3y it remains, so plus 3y including sign, multiply 3y into y, 3y into y is 3y square, plus into minus minus, so then 3y ones are 3y, change the sign, then this term will get cancelled, minus 2y plus 3y is plus 1y, minus 1, y will get cancelled, so 1 only it remains, plus 1 is the quotient, then y minus 1 only it becomes, change the sign, so then you will get remainder 0. Then you know, according to division algorithm, I can write it in this manner. P of x is equal to g of x into q of x plus r of x. P of x polynomial with variable y here. So here, so P of y we can write it here. Okay, because the variable used here y, so we can write it P of y. If they have used x, P of x you can write it. P of y is equal to here g of y. Be careful, already you have the practice, no? So okay, now see, first one once I'll write it, then here they changed the variable, no? So now for this only you change the variable. P of y is equal to g of y into q of y plus r of y. All the variables are y here, so I have changed. If you get confusion, once you write it down, then you can change the variable. P of y is your 2y cube plus y square minus 2y minus 1 is equal to g of y, that is y minus 1. This is one of the factor already we know. Q of y is quotient, that is 2y square plus 3y plus 1. Then r of y is 0. So then factorize for this quadratic polynomial. One factor we know now, y minus 1. I can 2 ones are 2. 2. When we'll multiply two numbers, 2 I should get. When I'll add or subtract, I should get 3. It is easy, same only it comes. Then 2y square plus 2y. No. Yeah, 2 ones are, if you multiply, you should get 2. No. 2 ones are 2. 2y plus 1y plus 1. This then one of the factor y minus 1. Take out here 2y common. If I take out 2y common, y plus 1. 1 if I take out common, y plus 1. So now here also y plus 1 is there, here also y plus 1 is there. Out of these two terms, y plus 1 is common. If I take out as a common, y minus 1 already one of the factor. If I take out here common, y plus 1. And the remaining terms are 2y plus 1. Children, these three are the factors of the given polynomial. Write down, children, and practice. Okay, children? So you understood the method, no? So when they give you cubic polynomial, multiply the numerical quotient of first term and the last term and find out what are the factors of that number. Then go on checking one by one which value if you substitute for that polynomial, you will get 0 as a remainder. Then for what value you will get 0 remainder, that value is a factor of that polynomial and that value it becomes variable value. So take it this side, it becomes one of the linear polynomial, that is binomial term, it is a factor of that polynomial. By that you divide the given polynomial, you are going to get two factors, that is one of the factor and one is quadratic polynomial. And quadratic polynomial you will split according to the splitting method and you find out two factors. So totally 3 factors you are going to get for cubic polynomial, children. Practice, children. Daily you have to practice maths.